Hello my friends, this is SAkGUY. Today I want to show you a very special Tinker model. This model is not called Tinker, its name is McKinley, and it was only available in the US market. The special thing at this knife is a large blade, the main blade. There is half serration here and very special serration. I think it's one of the beautifulest blade I've ever seen of Victorinox. I like it. I'm very proud that a friend organized this knife from the US market for me. It's retired now. Yes, all the other features are the features of a normal Tinker. And the Phillips here and the reamer. Yes. If you do not know this knife, I'm happy that I could change this now, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. That would make me happy at this point. And yes, have a nice day and keep on watching my channel. I think I could make you happy many times again in the future.